So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is change around the model and the effort level that Claude actually, let's say, for example, functions with. So over here, you can see that by default, it's set to Sonnet 4.6 low, which is actually good for many tasks. But if you were to go around and then click, you can see that if you have an upgraded version, you get a better Opus 4.8 right here. Or if you want faster, quick answers, you can go for a Haiku 4.5 as well, which actually is great for smaller tasks. Then you got the extended option right here. So if you want a very fast model, you can actually go ahead and turn this off. And you can ask simple questions like, where is the capital of, let's say, for example, Malaysia right here. So you can go ahead and do this. And then what happens is that it quickly answers it out, for which Haiku is okay for. But if you want, let's say, for example, if you were to go for Sonnet and then go for Sonnet 4.6, then it is better for more difficult tasks like creating document. Talking about document, if you want to create 40 pages of document or create an entire website, you may want to go ahead and increase out the effort right here as well and enable thinking as well for more complex tasks so that it does a better research. You can set high right here. So on the free version right here, you can select Sonnet 4.6 and effort can be high. And once you go ahead and select that, what happens is that now your Claude will be set up for a very complex task. So that is how you can select out the effort and select out model as needed in Claude AI. So I hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.